My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Bmw X1. This vehicle has done just over 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of the steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have our voice control. We also have automatic wipers and a keyless ignition. On our screen we can access communication and radio, navigation and connected drive, my vehicle and notifications. If we put it into reverse we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The X1 has 3 different driving modes to choose from. Press this button here, we can switch between Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.